What is a galaxy and what is a black hole? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really out there? Beyond the stars you can see, beyond the moon, and far past the planets in our solar system, lies something far more enormous, more mysterious, and more mind-blowing. Galaxies. And hidden deep inside, many of those galaxies are black holes, invisible objects with gravity so strong that not even light can escape them. Let's take a simple journey to understand what galaxies are, what black holes are, and how these two incredible parts of our universe are actually connected. So, first of all, what is a galaxy? A galaxy is a giant system made up of billions or even trillions of stars, along with planets, gas, dust, and dark matter, all held together by gravity. You can think of it like a huge cosmic city, except instead of buildings and people, it's full of stars and solar systems. Our own solar system, with the Earth and the Sun, is just a tiny part of one galaxy, the Milky Way. The Milky Way is a spiral-shaped galaxy, and it contains somewhere between 200 to 400 billion stars. That's just one galaxy. Scientists estimate that there are over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. That means there are more galaxies in space than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Galaxies come in different shapes. Some are spirals, some are more round or elliptical, and some are just messy blobs known as irregular galaxies. They can be small, with just a few million stars, or enormous, with more stars than we can count. Now, all galaxies are held together by gravity. But here's the twist. The gravity we see from stars and planets isn't enough to keep galaxies together. Something else is helping, something we can't see directly called dark matter. We don't know exactly what dark matter is, but it behaves like invisible glue, holding galaxies together and making up most of the universe's mass. But even more mysterious than dark matter is the black hole. So what exactly is a black hole? A black hole is a place in space where gravity becomes so strong that nothing can escape it. Not even light. That's why it's called black. It doesn't reflect or emit light, so we can't see it directly. But we can detect its presence based on how it affects the things around it. Most black holes form when very massive stars run out of fuel and collapse under their own weight. Imagine a star several times heavier than our sun suddenly dying. Its outer layers explode in a supernova, and the core collapses into an incredibly dense point. That's a black hole. The center of a black hole is something scientists call a singularity, a point where all the mass is squeezed into a space so tiny that the laws of physics as we know them break down. Surrounding that is the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape. If you cross that boundary, you're not coming back. Ever. Now here's where it gets even more fascinating. Many, not most, galaxies have a supermassive black hole at their center. These are black holes that are millions or even billions of times more massive than our sun. Our own Milky Way galaxy has one. It's called Sagittarius A*, and it's about 4 million times heavier than the sun. Scientists believe these supermassive black holes may have played a key role in the formation of galaxies themselves. Some theories suggest that they helped shape galaxies by influencing how stars and matter moved in the early universe. Others believe galaxies and black holes grew together over billions of years. Now, even though black holes are invisible, we've found ways to detect them. For example, when a black hole pulls in gas or dust from nearby stars, that material heats up and spins around the black hole, creating X-rays and energy that we can detect with telescopes. In fact, in 2019, scientists captured the very first image of a black hole shadow using a network of telescopes around the world. It was a historic moment in science. But what would happen if a person fell into a black hole? The answer isn't very pleasant. Due to something called tidal forces, your body would experience extreme stretching. Scientists call this spaghettification, and yes, that's a real term. Your feet would be pulled faster than your head, stretching you into a long, thin shape before you even reached the center. From the outside, it would look like you were frozen in time at the edge of the black hole, never actually falling in. But from your perspective, you'd fall straight toward the singularity. And no one knows what happens after that. Our physics just doesn't work at those extremes. Some scientists believe black holes might be portals to other parts of the universe, or even to other universes entirely. These are just theories, of course, but they show just how mysterious and mind-bending black holes really are. So to sum it up, a galaxy is a massive, gravitationally bound system made up of stars, planets, dust, gas, and dark matter. Galaxies can be small or enormous, and there are trillions of them out there in the cosmos. Inside many of them, including our own, lie black holes, invisible. Incredibly dense regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape. Together, galaxies and black holes form the grand architecture of the universe, a cosmic dance of creation, destruction, and mystery that continues to fascinate scientists and dreamers alike. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have a question about space, black holes, or the universe, leave it in the comments. Who knows? Your curiosity might inspire our next video. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.